Hello everyone! Today I'm here in our factory to introduce you our new design 200-watt pulsed laser cleaning machine. We have upgraded this machine. The appearance of the machine is a luggage type design, which is very easy to push and pull. The drawbar can be folded easy. Storage and placement into the vehicle for carrying. When in use, you can open the drawbar and pull it into where you need to work. And it is very convenient for mobile work in the workshop. A 360 rotating handle is designed above the control screen to protect the control screen. The wheels of the machine can be turned at will, making it perfect for taking it out to work. The overall design of the machine is small and lightweight, so you can drive it anywhere you provide cleaning services to your customers. The cleaning head is very lightweight at 0.8 kg and the lens is made of quartz for durability and heat resistance. We have designed a wrist control screen for the machine. You can change the parameters at any time without limitation of the machine. Next, we will show you how the machine works. We have prepared different samples of the machine. Firstly, switch on the control system. Before cleaning, we put on gloves and goggles. Then remove the protective cover on the cleaning head. To modify the parameters of the machine, we only need to modify the speed, power, and scanning width of the cleaning machine. If you want to make the surrounding light also strong when cleaning the machine, you can modify the age factor and extension delay. Pulse cleaner mode has 8 kinds. This time we use the rectangular mode. After the parameter setting is done, you have to click Enable for the machine to start working. When cleaning, press the button on the cleaning head. Next, we switch between different cleaning machines modes to clean different stains. Also, modify the parameters of cleaning. The above is our website and social media accounts. If you have any questions or interested in our machines, please don't hesitate to follow us and we'll be answering all your questions. Thank you for your time and goodbye.